book is about to change again on 31st August 2025, which is today. One, the changes are AI is taking over your feeds. Two, rates are changing. Three, business posts are getting a boost. Are you ready for this? So if you're a creator, you're a business owner, you need to what? Listen to this tree, because this tree is either going to affect you or it's going to what? You are going to benefit from you. In other words, it could break you or make you. So stick around and listen to this very changes. And at the end of this video, I would like to what? Announce something important to small creators. So if you're a small content creator, you're a small YouTuber, please stick around and watch this video to the end, because I want to announce something to all the small YouTuber who is trying to grow their accounts here. So Meta is testing out new updates that is rolling out today. So here is what you should be expecting. One is what? AI generated content. Meta is actually what? Recommending AI generated content to us, to unknown followers. If your content is all about AI, your content is AI, like AI generated videos, hey, it's a real win for you guys, because Meta will be suggesting your videos to non-followers, non-people that are actually not following you. They will see your videos in their feed. So if you're a content creator and you based on, so if your video based on AI, this change is going to us, you are going to benefit from it. So if you're a content creator, and you based on AI generated content, let me know in the chat. Okay, changes number 2 is what? Raise monetization. Meta is prioritizing watch time over views. That means even if your video has 1 million views, but people that watch it are just 100, you're not going to make a lot of money. Let me explain things that you guys can actually understand. What do I mean by Meta is prioritizing watch time over views? It means that people who watch your video should watch it to the end, not that people that will click it and watch and they will not watch it to the end. That means if people watch it for a few seconds, that you're not going to earn from it. It's not going to count to your monetization, not going to earn money from it. So make sure that you are going to hook viewers. I'm just sharing this tips for you for free. Make sure that you hook viewers at the beginning of that video, and you are going to retain it. That is it. You're going to keep what? Making them to stay and watch your video till the end. So that is changes number 2. The number 3 is what? Business owner. Meta is what? Meta is helping business owner to boost their reach. If they use trending sound to their products. Let me explain something here. It means that if you're a business owner, this is for business owner. If you're a business owner and you want to post your product, you add trending sound to it. Meta is going to what? Push that your videos to a large audience. This third one is for what? For business owner. So what I'm saying is that this changes is going to what? Benefit some creators, and it's going to what? Benefit some business owner. So if you're a business owner, use this opportunity to start making use of trending sound to your videos, so that they are going to what? Promote. If you don't know the meaning of boost, it's to promote, to push your videos to your right people that are going to buy your products from you. So use this opportunity and start on the 31st of August. Isn't just ordinary day. That means if you're a creator, you're a business owner, 31st August isn't just ordinary day. It is a day, it is a day that you use this opportunity to what? Erase now your chance to grab this attention before other competitor will know what is happening. So I'm sharing this secret, these tips for you. So This change is going to what benefits everybody, whether you're a content creator, your business owner. So make use of this opportunity. Like what I said, I want to announce. I want to what I just created a WhatsApp group where we'll be supporting each other. So if you're a creator, if you are a YouTuber, you're a content creator, you're trying to what to grow your subscribers, use this opportunity to join my group, because there will be what supporting each other in terms of sub and views. So if you're interested, use the